Welcome to World Famous Foods again with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz. Today we're doing some beef patties, or you can also call them beef empanadas. You're going to be using some ground beef, onions, some tomatoes, garlic, world famous habaneros. We got the disc right here. We got onion powder, chili powder, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, the sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and some Goya seasoning and crushed red pepper.
The sauce. And we're world famous with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz.
So right now we're getting the vegetables and the meat. That's going to be the filling. Getting all that together right now. Here we got
World famous spices here.
Oh yeah. So now we just combine the veggies and the meat. Again, this is for the filling. For our beef patties. Or that empanada, whatever they call them. World famous. Okay, so now we're gonna fill these guys up. And then we're gonna fold them and put them to oil. Should we get some nice meat in there? Move it up here. And we got the fork.
Beef patties.
Close them down, baby. Close them down. Okay, so now we're gonna drop the beef patties in the oil. Gonna cook them until they're golden brown on one side, then we're gonna flip them to the other side. We're just do two at a time because we don't want to crowd up the pot too much. World famous. Okay, so we're gonna put some of these in the oven also. We got some already in the stove. Did here for about 20 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius.
Alright, so let's give this a try. Get some nice piece of the filling. That's good. These things are just phenomenal. These are just awesome.
World famous.
Oh yeah.